Continuing on with their gold and transparent line, G-Shock have released the square and fully digital GM5600SG-9. Based on the design of the original digital G-Shock, this new iteration sports a gold IP stainless steel bezel with hairline finish and a clear, semi-transparent resin band. The resin band is surprisingly comfortable and can easily be an everyday wear. The case size is almost 50mm top to bottom and 43mm wide, and the whole thing weighs 73 grams. This piece really does speak for itself, but I will speak on it a bit more. It features 12 and 24-hour time formats, a fully automatic calendar, and a battery life of 2 years. If you like the look of this piece, you can snap one up online at shields.com.au. And if you don't happen to like this piece, that's okay, you can still snap up a nice watch at Shields. Come in-store or shop online at your own leisure.